It's during this time of year that I start dreaming of summer weather. Can you blame me? Today, I'm mixing up a tropical old fashioned that is almost as good as a sunny vacation. So gather your ingredients and let's shake up a storm. This tropical-inspired cocktail is the perfect way to bring a little taste of paradise to your glass. Whether you're craving a little bit of sunshine or just looking for a new drink to add to your collection, this cocktail is sure to be a pleaser and Queen Bee approved.